Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by placing the insertion point inside any cell of the row to delete. This tells Google Docs which row you mean. It's precise and prevents accidental removal of other content. Once done, verify the document isn't locked and that you have editing rights, because deletion requires edit permission. Make sure the row is the one you intend to remove. If not, undo is available. This single, focused action sets up the table menu to offer row-specific control. With the cursor inside the row, open the table menu in the top toolbar. You'll see Delete Row as the clear option. Click it. This action removes the entire row, cells, formatting, and any content, so you don't have to clear each cell manually. Google Docs automatically shifts the rows beneath upward to close the gap. If you prefer a quicker route on desktop, right-click the row and pick Delete Row. Both paths call the same function. The result is immediate and reversible with undo. After deleting, scan adjacent rows to confirm table structure remains correct. If you remove the wrong row, undo immediately via Edit right arrow undo or Ctrl+C. That reverses the deletion cleanly. If Delete Row is unavailable or grayed out, make sure you're signed in with an editor account and the document isn't protected. For complex tables with merged cells or embedded elements, copy important cells to a temporary spot before deleting. This precaution prevents accidental data loss and lets you restore content if layout shifts unexpectedly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.